All right, guys, just wanted to show you just my quick 5-0 donut trip. I got 7 donuts here. We'll see if I take down all of them or just a few. The first one, let's see if it'll focus, is our Cookie Monster. Right here, got some Oreo bits on top, some cookie dough pieces on top as well. I hope that's focusing okay. And we're digging in. Next up is our cherry cheesecake one. We're gonna focus on that. Chunks of cheesecake and obviously cherry jelly in the middle with some frosting on top. All right, next is the Cronut Plate Classic, just a croissant donut, but it is glazed, it is buttery, it is flaky, it is delicious. You can see the layers in it, those croissant layers. Next up is the pumpkin spice, pumpkin cream, pumpkin Kit Kats on top, as well as, I don't even know what those straw things are called.
That one's super good.
But very excited. Here's the Plant City. This is just a strawberry cream, kind of a strawberry shortcake donut, kind of alternating between chocolate and fruity to try to keep the palate fresh. Let's dig in. So we're doing the Butterfinger one now. We have some chocolate drizzle, some vanilla mousse on top, and then of course plenty of Butterfinger bits caked all over to make it extra delicious. Number 6. It's very large. Oh, powder down. Hard to tilt it. I don't want to tilt it too much, but it's heavy. If I had to guess, this is probably like.
You want to weigh it?
This, yeah, I guess I could. Let's weigh it. We're gonna weigh it for you guys. We're gonna figure out how much this one weighs. Okay, I'm gonna take a guess here. I'm gonna say this is. I'm gonna go with 8 ounces. I'm gonna go with 8 ounces. We'll see if I'm. Oh, 7.5 ounces. Oh man, shows how much I weigh my food, and I'm also pretty crazy. So we have about an 8-ounce donut right here. If we assume all donuts thus far have been close to 8 ounces, or let's just say 5 ounces. What would that be? 6 times 5, 30 ounces. 16, yeah, so almost 2 pounds of donuts so far. This will be over 2 pounds. This will be about 2.5 pounds of donuts right here if I finish this. I'm not sure if I will. I'm just gonna kind of play it by ear, but this is the last one. This is number 7. Do I have powder on my face? Oh, I do. Look at that. That's a tasty mouth. This is all I have left of the powdered one, but as you can see, there is no jelly left. So due to my current capacity and my reduced desire for sugar intake, I don't really have much of a desire to eat this. I'm gonna weigh this. Let me see how much is left from the original 7.5, 1.5. So I ate 6 ounces of the 7.5 ounce donut. This is not a food challenge. I have nothing to prove. So I'm just not gonna eat this. So let's pretend that I did though. That would have been 7 donuts from 5-0 Donuts Co. Yeah, we did some calculations. If all of them were at least around 5 or 6 ounces, let's say they're 6, most of them are probably 6 ounces if I had to guess. Probably 6 ounces per donut. I ate 6 ounces of that one at least. So 7 times 6, what, 42? 32 ounces is 2 pounds. So that's an additional 10 ounces. So that's over half. So over 2.5 pounds of donuts. That was live mental math right there. So over 2.5 pounds of donuts right there down the hatch. No big deal. I really don't feel that bad actually. If there's money on the line and I needed to eat 3 more, I could do that. But I just have no desire to finish this one. So I thought maybe you guys would be interested in kind of seeing that. I got a lot of messages about whenever I do my binge nights or things like that. Sometimes people are shocked to see what I consume, and I was probably right around 5,000 calories right there. Just a regular lunch, right? No, not at all, not at all. I'll eat very slim for the rest of the day. I'll have steak, I'll have some vegetables, I'll have some more chicken before I go to bed, and then tomorrow will be a very low carb day. Very low carb day. Kind of get it out of the system, and I'll just remain active and staying in the gym and all those good things, and my body will be back to normal probably within 48 hours. So really no big deal when you pace these things out rarely, right? I do this very rarely. It's not like you can do this every day and still be in shape, but every once in a while, it's not gonna do very much. Sure, you're gonna blow, but it's not really gonna put on any fat. Life is all about balance. Diet is all about balance and keeping your body healthy and moving, right? You know, avoiding low back issues, that's all about balance too. So I just thought maybe you guys would be interested in seeing this, so I wanted to record it. I hope that you enjoyed.